Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of airbrushing with an exciting product that we found online, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner Professional Airbrushing System Kit. We've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product actually is. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner is a comprehensive airbrushing system designed for both beginners and seasoned artists. It comes with a powerful dual-fan air compressor and a storage tank, along with 3 high-quality airbrushes and a set of 6 primary acrylic paint colors. Whether you're into model painting, fine art, or customizing products, this kit has everything you need to get started. One of the standout features of this system is its super cool runner dual-fan air compressor. This compressor is not only powerful, boasting a 1/5 horsepower motor, but it also runs exceptionally cool thanks to its 2 built-in fans. These fans operate independently to ensure that the compressor maintains a safe operating temperature for longer run times and increased lifespan. This means you can focus on your art without worrying about overheating. The compressor provides a robust airflow of 25 liters per minute, or 0.85 cubic feet per minute, which is impressive for an airbrush system. It features a built-in diaphragm air pressure regulator with a gauge, allowing for precise air control. Plus, it automatically switches on and off at preset pressures, turning off at 65 psi and back on at 51 psi. This automatic functionality ensures a consistent air supply while you work. Now, let's take a look at the airbrushes included in this kit. You get 3 of the best-selling styles from Master Airbrush. The Model G22 is a dual-action airbrush with a 1/3 ounce gravity-feed fluid cup and a 0.3 mm tip, perfect for detailed work. The Model G34 is another dual-action option, but with a smaller 1/16 ounce fluid cup, also equipped with a 0.3 mm tip for fine lines. Lastly, there's the Model E91, a single-action siphon feed airbrush with a 0.8 mm tip and 2 3/4 ounce siphon feed fluid bottles, which is great for larger coverage areas and mixing colors. This professional airbrushing system is suitable for a wide range of users. If you're a hobbyist looking to explore the world of airbrushing, this kit is an excellent entry point. For artists who want to create stunning artworks, model builders, or even those in the makeup industry looking to apply flawless finishes, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner can help elevate your skills. In terms of practical use cases, imagine using this system for painting intricate details on scale models or creating beautiful murals on canvas. The versatility of the included paint colors means you can blend and mix shades effortlessly, and the cleaning brush set ensures that maintaining your tools is a breeze. Whether you're working on a craft project at home or a more elaborate artistic endeavor, this airbrushing kit is designed to meet your needs. In conclusion, the Master Airbrush Cool Runner Professional Airbrushing System Kit is a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to get serious about airbrushing. With its powerful compressor, versatile airbrushes, and user-friendly features, it's a solid choice for both beginners and experienced artists alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.